Aftermarket ignition is one of the most common modifications for a classic car. Many American Autowire customers choose to install MSD ignition systems along with their classic update and universal wiring harness. As with most aftermarket ignitions, MSD is a straightforward installation. In this video, we will illustrate how to connect two of their more popular kits with a classic update or universal wiring harness. Your MSD instructions will give you half the information you need to make the connections required to make that system work with an American Autowire harness, and the remainder of the points will be covered in your American Autowire kit documentation. MSD does not use the same GM color coding as an American Autowire harness, which is what causes some customers to pause and confirm wire function during their installation. An MSD ready-to-run system uses a distributor with an external coil and will include all of the wiring from the coil to the distributor. Your American Autowire kit will supply two things. The first is a 12-volt ignition source supplied from the engine wiring in our kit. This wire will be pink and effectively replaces the wire running from the ignition switch on MSD's instructions. This wire is a keyed hot that will remain live during cranking to allow your car to start and run. The second wire is an optional tachometer signal feed. This wire is white in our kits but is black in our video for clarity. With those two connections made, the MSD system will be ready to install per their instructions. The 6AL system is very similar. The only change is the location of the wires supplied by MSD. As with the ready-to-run system, the 6AL includes hardwired pigtails supplied by MSD. Since the 6AL ignition box handles the connections to the ignition coil, the 12-volt ignition feed can be attached to the smaller red input wire on the 6AL box. Once again, this will supply the 12-volt feed required for the car to crank and run. The tachometer output also moves in with the 6AL system. Rather than plug in at the ignition coil, the American Autowire white tach wire will attach to the tach output at the 6AL box. This will feed the signal through the American Autowire harness to the gauge, and your ignition wiring will be complete. Most other aftermarket ignition systems are similar, but you will always want to refer to the manufacturer's instructions to confirm where to attach the American Autowire feeds. Thanks for watching. For this and other videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.